it's Parties. My name is Trisha and welcome back to my channel with another video. So this is a month of August, यानी हमारे लिए फेस्टिव सीजन शुरू हो चुकी है. राखी, गणेशोत्सव, जन्माष्टमी and so on. And hence I went all in and मैंने बहुत कुछ शॉप किया है. Let me let you see. So and ऐसा बहुत सारे पार्सल्स हैं मेरे पास. I have shopped so many beautiful Indian wear from Myntra so that you and I can slay this Indian festival together. So without wasting any further moment, let's directly jump into this video. इतना ज़्यादा पार्सल है that I am confused कि कहाँ से start करूँ. But I have found my favorite piece from whatever I have shopped. And चाहे कुछ भी लूँ, Indian wear हो, Western हो, casual हो, work wear हो, मेरा pastels लेना तो भाई decided है. I have found the beautiful pastel suit. You won't believe इतना ज़्यादा प्यारा लग रहा है. This is the first time that I have shopped from this brand, but I am in love with this one. You will get this beautiful anarkali fall. Oh my god, look at this beautiful kurta. I love it. It has this pretty V neckline and यहाँ पे beautiful white and silver का sequence work है, which I love. Generally Indian wear में gold prefer किया जाता है and gold ही होता है, but whenever I get this kind of a white and silver का work, I just go all in because मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. Because you can style this beautiful jhumkis and all those black or white oxidized jewelry with that. I mean, look at the heavy neckline you guys get, and it has this 3/4 sleeve, and sleeve पे भी बहुत ही प्यारा white and silver का sequence work है. And at the bottom also you will get this kind of work. This is the palazzo pant that you will get with that, and इसके bottom में भी बहुत ही प्यारा sequence का work मिलेगा, which is amazing. Generally I am in the size S in this one, so मैं बार बार वो repeat नहीं करूँगी. But the thing which I love about this suit is dupatta. I love net के दुपट्टे and oh my god, look at the beautiful dupatta you guys get with that. It has this beautiful white sequence patchwork all over the dupatta, and इसके साथ you will get this pretty border. Oh my god, this piece looks stunning. I fell in love with this one. The material is rayon and ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा comfortable है. Although I'm in size S, ये मुझे थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो रहा है. I have to alter it because XS is not available in this, and you will get 2 more color options to choose from. This is amazing at this price. इस वीडियो की शुरुआत तो बहुत ही अच्छी हुई है. Then I have is this beautiful lime green color kurta set. ये basically मैंने अपने मम्मा के लिए मंगाया था. Oh my god, look how pretty this is. We do share same size, like almost same size, तो हम दोनों का चलता रहता है वो कुछ. And this is in a pretty lime green kind of a color. ये कैमरे पे येलो दिखेगा, but this is a sort of a lime green color and ये इतना ज़्यादा beautiful है. This has print work and इसमें round neck मिलेगा आपको. इसके साथ you will get this palazzo pant, and इसके bottom में भी beautiful सा print है जो similar आपको कुर्ते में मिलेगा. And इसके साथ जो बेस्ट बात है वो है इसका दुपट्टा. This is the dupatta that you get with this kurta set. This looks really heavy. एक दुपट्टा ही आपके पूरे कुर्ते सेट को इतना ज़्यादा heavy and royal look देगा ना, that you really don't need to pair up any kind of accessories. मैंने इस कुर्ते के साथ सिर्फ अपने earrings pair up किए हैं and that's it. And it turned out so beautiful that I love it. And I get this kurta set in just 647 rupees. I mean 647 में you are getting a kurta, a palazzo and a heavy dupatta. This is a steal deal. I would like to invest in those kurta set जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा light weight हो, plus हम उसको reuse कर सके in day to day life. So this is I have ordered from one of my favorite brand, which is Anuk. मेरे पास Anuk के बहुत सारे कुर्तीज हैं and tunics हैं. In fact, this is the one that I'm wearing is also from Anuk. I have is this beautiful kurta set. This is from Cotton and can you see ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा similar लग रहा है. I know it's a sleeveless kurta and has this रेगुलर स्क्वायर नेकलाइन एंड यहाँ पे ज्योमेट्री प्रिंट्स बनी हुई है. एंड इसके साथ यू विल गेट दिस ट्राउजर्स again a matching one, and with that you will get this beautiful dupatta as well. It is a very regular chill bill kind of a kurta set which you can use after the festive season as well. इसको मैंने अपने silver झुमकेस के साथ pair up किया है because I love to wear silver jewelries when it comes to Indian festival. Let's be honest, the celebration खत्म हो जाता है. We want to get relaxed but we don't want to opt for regular speeches as well. उस वक्त ना ऐसे कुर्ता बहुत ही ज़्यादा handy होते हैं. Plus you can wear them to your college, your office as well. So I would highly love to invest in such kind of a kurta set, and Anuk is a really good brand which I say because इनके कुर्ता सेट, इनके कुर्ते बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी क्वालिटी में तो होते हैं but they are extremely affordable. I get my hands on this in just 1200 rupees. There are certain prints जो कभी out of trend नहीं जाने वाली, and one of them is bandhani print. So I have ordered in that one. Look at how pretty it looks. This is beautiful. This is a bandhani printed kurta. यहाँ पे आपको गोटा पट्टी का work भी मिलेगा. This is a sleeveless kurta but has this round neck and it comes just with dupatta. It doesn't come with any kind of a bottom wear which just breaks my heart, but this is what it is. The material is rayon and दुपट्टे का जो material है वो chiffon है. I thought it will come with a bottom wear but it doesn't come unfortunately. So I'm thinking to return this because I really don't own any kind of a spare bottom which I can pair with this one, though it has beautiful fall like a anarkali and it looks really pretty. And I bought this set in just 550 rupees, which is a steal deal. If you are finding such type of affordable relaxed fit kurta set, then I think you should definitely consider this one. Sometimes my love for pastels gets really serious. I order one more lilac kurta set, but trust me, it is mind-blowing. Look at this beautiful kurta set. Oh my god, this is a round neckline and has this beautiful heavy thread work going all over the kurta. The neckline is so heavy, plus पूरे कुर्ते में ना आपको ऐसे thread work के patches मिलेंगे which is great. It has this 3/4 sleeve and sleeve पे भी बहुत ही प्यारा सा thread work भी मिलेगा आपको. It do come with a pants and it also comes with a dupatta. Dupatta doesn't have thread work but it has this similar print pattern matching with the kurta set. I personally love this one because this has a really heavy thread work rather than the previous one. The material is again a rayon but I feel यहाँ पे अगर कुछ sequence का काम भी मिल जाता ना तो ये कुर्ते को और ज़्यादा heavy कर लेता. But never mind, I get this kurta set in just 800 rupees. के लिए मुझे ये quality बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. If you want to pick any set from this, I think you should definitely try your hands on this one because this is a gem which I get in such an affordable range. I mean, look at this kurta. This is mind-blowing. This is an anarkali set, has this cut in the center. It has beautiful print all over the kurta. It has this round shaped neckline but has this pretty mirror work all over the neckline, has this 3/4 sleeve and look at the work. You get this beautiful work at the sleeve as well. You'll get the same printed palazzo pant at the bottom. And the best part about this kurta set is this belt. This is a really steal deal because I get this kurta set in just 749 rupees. This is hell of amazing because the quality of this kurta set is mind blowing. कहीं से भी कुछ भी ऐसा धागा, एक धागा तक नहीं निकल रहा है. The quality of the fabric is again a mind blowing. Look at the color, you guys. This looks so pretty. इसके साथ मैंने अपने heavy चांद बालिश पेयर किया है and that's it. This automatically gives me that queen वाली feeling. If you want to pick any one kurta set from this video, I will highly recommend this one because you are going to get a good designer piece at such affordable range. I was extremely dancing for this particular kurta set, but this turned out a bummer. But I will tell you the problem आगे क्या है, but first look at the kurta set. This looks so rich and royal. I mean, purple is the color of a royalty. It again has the round neckline, but look at the neckline. It looks so heavy. बहुत ही प्यारा thread work मिलेगा यहाँ पे आपको with 3/4 sleeve, and यहाँ पे भी ऐसे छोटी छोटी thread work and sequence work मिलेगा. It do come with a bottom. Now hear me out. The bummer is that in दोनों का color different है. I mean, can you see this? This is the color of kurta and this is the color of bottom. Look at this. I know इतना difference नहीं है, कैमरे पे शायद बिल्कुल भी समझ ना आए, but in real life these two are two different colors, which is a bummer. So this is a big bummer and I'm gonna return this. Although I get this kurta set in just 980 rupees, I was really excited. The fabric quality is amazing, but the color difference is not acceptable. Red, yellow, green, orange, pinks, these colors are not jaan of this festive season, and kuch prints na, as I said, kabhi out of trend nahi jati. So I have one more kurta set in bandhani print. This is definitely heavier than the previous one. Oh my god, look at this. It has V neckline and has this beautiful sequence kota-patti work that you get around the neckline, and has this 3/4 sleeve, and sleeve पे भी बहुत ही प्यारा सा golden sequence का work मिलेगा. It do come with a bottom wear, and bottom wear पे भी बहुत ही प्यारा sequence work का border मिलेगा. This is really heavy when it comes to a kurta set, and this is the dupatta that you get with the kurta set. Look at the heavy border that you get with this dupatta. I get this kurta set in 1500 rupees. At such rates, this is a really good pick. The quality, the fabric is amazing. Now the fabric is art silk. Major thing which I love about this kurta set that it do come with this kind of a thick अस्तर, because कभी कभी ये लोग ना थोड़ा सा ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाता है, but it do come with a अस्तर, so ऐसा कुछ भी होने के chances बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. Alright, before we move ahead with the last two pieces that is remaining, I would like if you take a moment and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification. Also, every kurta set that I have shared in this video will be mentioned down in the description box in case you want to check it out for yourself. Now this piece has my whole heart. I was waiting for this piece since so long. This is really simple as compared to the other pieces, but this is elegant. Oh my god, look at this. This is a normal A-line kurta which just has two gota-patti work, but this is a shoulder strap dress and it has pocket. I love when my kurta set has pocket, because कोई नहीं तो wallet और phone तो इसमें आ ही जाता है. And it do come with a matching bottom which has this beautiful golden patti ka work. I again love these are the versatile pieces. I mean, you can mix and match this kind of a thing, and it do come with this net dupatta. It has this thread work going all over the dupatta, and यहाँ पे आपको ऐसे लटकन्स भी मिलेंगे. This is so cute. Wine red and a golden are matched, made in heaven. This looks so elegant. Right, with that we are to the last piece of this video, and when I tried this for the first time, I feel like this is just made for me. This is not a your regular kurta set. This is a 3-piece set which comes with this kind of a crop top. This is in the sea green color and has this golden patti work going to the crop top. Has this matching plazo which has this flare which looks really stunning. But the main attraction of the piece is this shrug. This is a floor length shrug with two side skirt. It has this full length sleeve, has a button detail to the neckline, and it has this golden geometry print all over the shrug. Together this looks stunning. The fit is just mind-blowing. I feel like this is made for me, like you know, ऐसे टेलर ने बैठ के स्पेशली मेरी बॉडी के लिए बनाया है. कहीं से भी कुछ भी ऑल्टर करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Even though sometimes I'm in the size S, मुझे हल्का सा ऑल्टर करवाना ही पड़ता है, but this is I guess for the first time मुझे कुछ भी ऑल्टर करने की जरूरत नहीं है इसमें. This is a really beautiful, elegant 3-piece set if you want to ditch the regular kurta set this festive season, and it do come with another color which is a beautiful peaches color, but I opt for this sea green color to look something different because majority Indians में peach and pinks are too common, and I get this 3-piece set in just 1600 rupees. Again, a steal deal because the quality you get, the fit you get is just mind-blowing. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video and this turned out helpful to you. Link of every kurta set will be mentioned down in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. With this, I'm signing off. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, stay sparkly.